Welcome back to Appetite for the Outdoors. I'm Jason with Carolina Cooker. Today we've got a side dish for you. This is potato casserole. So I'm going to grab a bowl and we're going to start getting it mixed up. I've got my bowl. First thing we're going to add will be our potatoes. And we go in with our cream of mushroom, our sour cream, our butter, cheddar cheese, and our chopped onion. I'm going to grab a spoon and mix all this together till it's well incorporated. I'm going to grab my Carolina Cooker Enamel casserole dish. And we're going to dump it all in here. Last thing we're going to do before it goes into bake is I'm going to top it with some crumbled up cornflakes to give us a nice crispy, crunchy top. Okay, grill's on 375. Potato casserole is going in. And we're going to shut the lid on that and let it sit for 30 minutes. Our potato casserole is looking good. We've got some bubbling and our cheese and sour cream. Nice crispy cornflakes on the top. Take that out, plate it up. Here, grab some, put it on a plate, and let it top it with some fresh parsley, just give it a little color. Okay, so our potato casserole is done. Nice, easy side dish for a weeknight, crispy, gooey, delicious. I'm Jason with Carolina Cooker. Let us help you navigate all the seasons, both in the kitchen and in the field.